Hello, Namaste, Adab, Sat Sri Akal, my friends. Welcome to my channel Bikerlog Varun, and I hope you all are doing really good, aren't you? So today I want to talk about one incident which I faced recently, as you can see here in this video. Guys, one guy met accident here.
Has had a very bad hit on the head.
Shit, man,
If
shit.
he had strapped his helmet, nothing would have happened. If he had strapped his helmet, nothing would have happened. If he had strapped his helmet, nothing would have happened.
If he had strapped his helmet, nothing would have happened.
Bus ahead of him. Hard brake, okay? It did a stoppie and he was on the ground. Bugger has not strapped his helmet. This thing is completely gone. इतना अच्छा बाइक चला रहे ठीक है इतना सस्ता हेलमेट यूज करेगा तो
ऊपर से स्टैप भी नहीं किया बाइक guy. Look at this guy, what he was wearing. Look at his gloves. Stupid guy. Gloves with no protection. Helmet. Look what happened to the helmet. Broke down. How this helmet can broke, man? It broke here, man. Shit. This helmet broke down. And he was not tying this also. This guy was not tying this thing as well. See. This guy was riding a bike which is worth 2 million rupees. But what happened? What happened to him? He met a serious accident and he was brutally injured. And luckily we were there and few other bikers were there, as you can see in the video. We picked him up and we called the ambulance. And he was taken to the hospital, after which he survived. But he was at risk of his life, you know. Why? Because he was not wearing the helmet properly. So today I want to bring the helmets which I use on daily basis and on medium touring and for long touring purposes. So why a good helmet is necessary? So I'll make this video for very short while. I'll make this video for just 2 minutes, and I want to tell you here is that wearing a proper helmet is as important as wearing a proper gears. So let me bring on the first helmet. So this helmet was given to me by Royal Enfield, as you can see here, along with my bike. So I never use this helmet. So this is a half face helmet which on an accident cannot save my front face, you know. The front face is always exposed to the accident and there is nothing to protect my front face. So I never use this helmet on any kind of touring. So the second helmet, which is my first long tour helmet, was LS2 and this is a pretty good decent medium range helmet which costed me around 5,000 rupees, and I used it for around 15,000 kilometers till now. So the good thing about this helmet is it is pretty good and well built, and the helmet quality is pretty much good. So it's a full face helmet which gives me a protection on the front, and as you know, I do vlogging, so I can mount a camera here on the chin as well as on the side. But the thing which I don't like about this helmet is something here, you know. This, I think on a big impact this can open up, and on the regular use of this these plastic things get rubbed every now and then, and this plastic actually these teeth, these are the teeth of plastic which might or might not hold a great or a big impact whenever I met a big accident. So in order to protect myself in any situation, I switched to the next generation, the racing helmets. So I recently bought this helmet, which is HJC, and how this is different from the cat helmet is that it has, first of all, it is made up of carbon fiber. This is completely made of carbon fiber, which is really very good. And the other good thing about this is it comes with the D-rings, you know. So D-rings are something which look like this. So these are the rings in D shape, and you can actually roll the strap over them like this, and then you can button them. So button them like this. So the best thing about this is not gonna come out in any situation. So basically I bought this for myself, but my wife is using it whenever she is traveling with me, and this is a pretty nice helmet. So the next helmet which I use for a long touring nowadays is this one, which I recently bought, and this helmet is also again made of carbon fiber, and I can use this for vlogging purpose as well. And same as the HJC, this also comes with D-rings, and we can tie them, strap them, and these straps not gonna come out in any kind of impact. And how it is better than HJC is because it has emergency tab removal. So these chins can come out on a accident. So if my head is swollen during the accident or something, you can remove this and you can easily take out the helmet. So guys, I recommend all of you to please use D-ring helmets if you ride at more than 100 or 120 speed, but if you are within 100 kilometer speed, I prefer use something like LS2 or MT or any other basic helmet. So ride safe, live safe. If you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed it yet, please subscribe, and ride safe, stay safe, love you.